It's a complex time for investors. It can feel like your only choices are between low, almost invisible returns or highly volatile and risky investments. But there is a better option. Now you can get a targeted 14% annual return on an oil and gas production investment designed to avoid volatility and risk, and returns are paid monthly. This opportunity is brought to you by the Energy Resources Corporation. We're a Western Canadian company led by a highly experienced team of oil and gas and investment professionals. Our executive management team has over 110 years of combined experience, and our board of advisors has over 150 years of combined experience. Members of our team are experts in the highly specialized fields of optimization and enhancement of producing wells and exploitation of undeveloped assets. After searching the globe for high-return, low-risk opportunities, Energy Resources is pleased to offer individual investors a chance to participate in the Permex Petroleum Limited Partnership, an investment solution that gives you the opportunity for income and cash flow, potential capital gains and liquidity, and significant tax deductions through ownership in the production of oil and natural gas. This truly diverse oil and gas fund also offers multiple exit options for investors. This includes sale and divestiture of properties, company buyback and redemption, and daily liquidity through the TSX private markets. The Permex partnership will generate cash from over 100 producing wells spread across approximately 40,000 acres in Alberta, Kentucky, Tennessee, and Texas. And while these wells generate predictable cash flow, there is the potential for a highly profitable upside from refracture wells and proven undeveloped resources. Plus, there are over 40 miles of pipeline and gathering systems, providing the company with immediate revenues. Remember, this investment is in proven properties in regions containing established pools of oil and natural gas. So, while the expected returns on this investment are high, our strategy is actually highly conservative. There are none of the costs and risks associated with exploration. We employ a stringent risk mitigation review process, and we use only time-tested technologies. This $20 million capped partnership is a rare opportunity to directly participate in oil and natural gas investments that are typically funded only through restrictive, highly minimum private equity investments. For once, you're in control. With a 14% return, monthly income from 3 revenue streams, capital gains, tax benefits, low mitigated risk, and eligibility for all registered accounts, the Permex Petroleum Partnership from Energy Resources Corporation is a rare and exciting opportunity. Participation is limited, so you'll want to act quickly. Just contact Energy Resources Corporation.
This presentation may not be copied, published, distributed, or transmitted. The document is being supplied to you solely for your information and for use at the company's presentation to investors and/or industry professionals concerning the company's business activities. It is not an offer or invitation to subscribe for or purchase any securities, and nothing contained herein shall form the basis of any contract or commitment whatsoever. This presentation does not constitute or form part of any offer or invitation to whatsoever sell or issue or any solicitation of any offer to purchase or subscribe for any shares in the company in any jurisdiction, nor shall it or any part of it, nor the fact of its distribution form the basis of or be relied on in connection with any contract, commitment, or investment decision in relation thereto, nor does it constitute a recommendation regarding the securities of the company. This presentation contains certain forward-looking information that reflect the current views and/or expectations of management of the company with respects to its performance, business, and future events, including statements with respect to financings and the company's plans for growth and expansion. Such information is subject to a number of risks, uncertainties, and assumptions, which may cause actual results to be materially different from those expressed or implied, including the risk that the company is unable to obtain required financing and risks and uncertainties inherent in oil and gas development activities. These risks may include, but are not limited to, market prices for oil and gas and products, the company's ability to develop, produce, and transport crude oil and natural gas to markets, and the results of development drilling and related activities, although considered reasonable at the time of preparation, may prove to be imprecise, and as such, undue reliance should not be placed on forward-looking information. The company assumes no future obligation to update these forward-looking information except as required by applicable securities law. No representation or warranty express or implied is given by the company or any of its subsidiary undertakings or affiliates or directors, officers, or any other person as to the fairness, accuracy, correctness, completeness, or reliability of the information or opinions contained in this presentation, nor have they independently verified such information, and any reliance you place thereon will be at your sole risk. Without prejudice to the foregoing, no liability whatsoever, in negligence or otherwise, for any loss however arising directly or indirectly from any use of this presentation or its contents, or otherwise arising in connection therewithin, is accepted by any such person in relation to such information.